All right, let's talk about engineering your future. Today we're diving deep into something called the MCASCE certification. Now what is that? It's the Master Certification in Autonomous Systems and Cloud Engineering. And trust me, it's all about building an incredible career right where AI, robotics, and the cloud all come together.
So you're looking at the tech world, right? And it's a lot. It changes like every single day. Maybe you're a software engineer who wants to get to that next level, or a data scientist trying to figure out what's my niche. Or hey, maybe you're just starting and you're thinking, what is the smartest move I can make right now? You absolutely need a clear strategy, a real path to get to the top.
Well, that path, it's right at this amazing sweet spot where three huge fields collide: artificial intelligence, robotics, and the cloud. Seriously, this is where all the action is. The best jobs, the most interesting projects, they're all about making these three things work together to build smart, autonomous systems.
Okay, so how do you actually get there? How do you become the person who understands that crucial intersection? Well, the solution we're looking at today is the MCSE pathway.
And listen, this isn't just another piece of paper to hang on your wall. The MCSE is a real credential. It's all about integration. It's for people who don't just want to know about the cloud or robotics or AI, but who want to be the ones who actually make them work together to build the stuff of tomorrow. You know what's really cool about this? It's laser focused on actual careers. You're not just learning stuff for the sake of it. You get to choose from 6 different specializations, and each one is a direct line to a high-demand job. We're talking full-stack engineer, AI solutions architect, the whole shebang. And as we'll see, each one has its own dedicated module, so you know you're getting exactly what you need.
Okay, so we know where you can end up, but what does the journey actually look like? Let's get into the curriculum.
So, this is a 24-month journey, a real deep dive. It's broken down into 6 modules that build on each other one by one. You start with a solid base in full stack, then you layer on data science, machine learning, all the way up to cloud AI infrastructure. It's all about personal and professional growth, right? You master one thing, then you're ready for the next. No getting thrown in the deep end here. And check this out. This shows just how hands-on it is from day one. In Module 1, you're not just reading textbooks. No, you're jumping right into tools everyone's using, like React and Next.js, and you're immediately building and deploying AI agents using things like N8N and the OpenAI SDK. And it all wraps up with a capstone project. So you're not just learning, you're doing. You're building something real.
All right, let's get to the good part, the payoff. After all that hard work, what does it actually get you? How does this journey turn into a killer high-tech career? This is where all that investment in yourself really pays off in the real world.
I mean, just look at the numbers, they really do speak for themselves. You can see a direct line from each specialization to what it's worth in the job market. And it's pretty clear. The deeper you go into a specialty like AI solutions architect, the higher your earning potential goes, both for a full-time salary and for freelance work.
Okay, can we just pause on this number for a second? $200,000. Wow. And that's not some pie-in-the-sky dream. That is the actual high-end salary for someone on the AI solutions architect path. It just goes to show you how much companies are willing to pay for people who can actually build these kinds of complex systems.
And if you're thinking, okay, but is it a sure thing? Well, check this out. A 96% job placement rate. That's huge. It tells you this isn't just about learning cool stuff. It's about learning exactly what the industry is desperate to hire for right now.
But this is about so much more than just landing that first job, right? It's about setting you up for a long, flexible, future-proof career. We're talking awesome freelance rates, a clear shot at leadership roles like CTO, and huge demand from AI startups all over the world. This is about being able to call the shots and design a career that actually works for you. Okay, so you've seen the roadmap, you've seen the destination. You might be thinking, I'm in. What's the first step? Let's talk about how to get started. It all starts with something called the BASR admission test. That stands for Basic Assessment of Systems and Robotics. But don't think of it as some scary test trying to keep you out. It's more like a compass. It's just there to make sure you have the basics down in things like robotics and AI so you can really hit the ground running. If you nail the concepts in this BASR paper, you're basically setting yourself up for a win from day one.
And here's one of the best parts, how flexible this thing is. It's built for all kinds of professionals. It doesn't matter if you have a fancy CS degree or if you're a brilliant self-taught coder. What really matters is your passion and your drive. Got a laptop? Got internet? And most importantly, do you want to learn? Then you've got what it takes. Okay, get ready for this because this is a total game changer. The cost. The model here is super simple. Your success is your scholarship. If you score 90% or better on that BSR admission test, your tuition is zero. Nothing. It's completely free. This isn't just about making education affordable, it's a reward for proving you've mastered the fundamentals. It's a powerful statement about how much they value your personal growth.
So, there you have it. We've laid out the tech, the entire curriculum, the amazing career path, everything. It's all right there. The only real question left is for you. Are you ready to build the future?